Welcome back. We are continuing our practical applications with Autodesk Inventor, and in today's exercise we are going to continue working on our Jeep design, but we are focusing on the seat design today. So it's gonna be a very quick one, and as always I'll go as slowly as possible so you can easily follow me along. Let me show you what's gonna look like once we're done. This is what it's gonna look like. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. File, let's go to File, Start a new part. We are in metric. Let's make sure we are working metric and standard.ipt, and then create a 2D sketch. Start a 2D sketch on XY plane. XY plane. All right. I mean, if you look at this, it's a very. Let me go back so we can see what we're looking at. It's rather straightforward. It's very simple. Extrude, line, extrude, and fillet, and that's it. So we're going to draw a line. Start with a horizontal line about here, and make sure this line is perfectly horizontal and a distance of 28. Now, how do we know it's perfectly horizontal? Look, either you're gonna see that horizontal constraint or 0 degree. So make it 28. Escape. Draw another line at the end of this line. And let's go ahead and draw it at angle. So if you hit tab key, it gives you to give a dynamic input of 25 degrees. Then enter. Escape. Dimension, go to dimension tool. We need to dimension this vertical distance. So from this point to this point here, that needs to be 5 millimeters. And zoom out. So if you press the wheel button and hold, you can move your sketch anywhere on the screen in case you need more room. The wheel button back and forth allows you to zoom in and zoom out, in case you forgot to do that. All right, next, let's draw a line at this point and diagonal line at angle of 100. Let's go 115. 115. Escape. Dimension from this point here to this point, and the vertical distance needs to be 48. Very good. All right, now we need to apply coincident constraint. Go ahead and find the midpoint of this horizontal line. Coincident constraint, midpoint. What is the midpoint? The midpoint is going to be that where that green dot is. Select that and then bring to this point here. Now our sketch is free constraint, as you can see here at the bottom. Offset, go ahead, launch offset, select this line, and offset it by 12. Offset it by 12. We're gonna come here, draw another line, diagonal line. Distance is, let's go ahead and make it 12. Now we're going to apply a relationship between this line, and I can move this dimension here. Yeah, so we need these two lines to be perpendicular to each other. So coincident constraint and perpendicular constraint. Select this line and that line. Excellent. Next, draw another line from here to this point here. It needs to be. I'm gonna draw it there like that. And what I need to do, we need to also apply perpendicular constraint. So select this line and this one, make them perpendicular to each other, and then trim this part. Now, how do we know they are perpendicular? What angle should they make? 90 degrees. There you go. So you can double check this angle as well and make sure they are perpendicular. There you are, 90 degrees. Okay. All right, next we are going to close our profile by drawing a line that goes from this point to this point here. Excellent. All right, now, well, it says we're missing one dimension. So if we dimension this line and make it 12, we should be fully constrained. We are fully constrained. Next, let's go ahead and apply a fillet command. Yes, remember you can fillet a 2D shape as well as 3D feature. So I did apply a fillet of 8 and finish your sketch. And then extrude. We're going to extrude direction is going to be symmetric. Distance, let's do a distance of 40 and select OK. Okay, almost there. We are almost there. So this, remember, this is what we are working towards. So we had about 85% done. Now the next one, let's go ahead and do fillet. So select this edge here and that edge. To total how many profiles selected. Select that as well. Like that. So we have 12 edges selected. Now change the radius to, let's do 3. Very good. We're also gonna go apply chamfer. This is just, you know, so you're comfortable how to use these tools. Fillet and chamfer. Do a distance of 1 is fine, apply and then select OK. There we are. Now we're going to select the bottom. And draw a circle whose center is at the same point as that point there. So that's the midpoint of the line we just drew first. Radius of 4.5. If yours is not measuring in radius, so remember you just start a circle, right click, and you may be measuring a diameter, so switch to radius and do 4.5 and finish sketch. Extrude a direction of default and 5. Output is going to be join and done. And we are done. The seat for your Jeep is done. Let's go ahead and change appearance to anything you like. Actually, let's go and apply material first. Select ABS, plastic, and I want you to find the mass of your seat. Find the mass and let me know in the comment what your mass is. Let me know in the comment what your mass is. I'll let you know if you get it correct. I don't like that. I'm gonna change to what? I'm gonna change to black. I want a black. You see black anywhere. Anywho, what is black? Such a black, black. All right, the black there. Do I want that? No. It's a glossy black somewhere. G. Iron texture. 0. All right, there we go. Glossy black. All right, guys, that's it. Last thing we have to do. Do not forget. Let's go ahead and get your portfolio updated as well. So remember, once you get it done, do not forget to update your portfolio. So as far as the Jeep goes, we did the tire, we did the rim as well. So we also completed the seats and we also did the body. So next time we're probably gonna work on the steering wheel. And yeah, we're almost there. We're almost there. All right, just make sure you update your portfolio as you go. And as always, if you have any questions, let me know.